YakBack.
Hi, welcome to YakBack. Look at all my Santas. Look at this Santa. What does he have for us? Let's pull the string. He has a can. He brought a can. A can. A can. He brought a can. Santa, why did you bring a can? He brought a can. Which Santa should I pick? Let's see what this Santa brought. Let's pull on his string. What did you bring? He brought a bat. Santa, you brought a bat. Why did you bring a bat? Bat. He brought a bat. Next, Santa. Hi, Santa. What did you bring us? The Santa brought a bag. He brought a bag. Thanks, Santa, for bringing us a bag. Bag. 3 Santas left. Hi, Santa. What did you bring us? You brought a pan. A pan. 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 Thank you, Santa. We needed a pan. 2 Santas left. Look at this Santa. Oh, he's so cute. He brought a bed. A bed. Oh, Santa can take a nap. He worked so hard. He should take a nap in the bed. A nap in the bed. You deserve that nap, Santa. Last Santa. Hi, Santa. What did you bring? You brought a man. Santa brought a man. A man. A man. I didn't know Santa could bring men. Bye-bye.
YakBack.